I had a cleaner in the past. When they came over and the last time, and it was the last time, they broke some things in the house. Then when I brought it to their attention, they said to me, it was broke before. And honestly, I'm like, this is not a company that I want to work with where they're not going to be accountable. I know working with CompanyClean, I can call Ronnie and it will be taken care of immediately. I trust what they do. They do an amazing job. They remind me when somebody is coming. It's multiple reminders. They say, we're going to show up at this time. And actually, they do show up on time. And whoever has come over, I trust them that I can leave the house. And that has happened more than a few times. I needed to run an errand. I needed to go on a meeting. I trust them there in the house by themselves. I've been a benefit auctioneer for 10 years. I have my own company. And Ronnie does a lot of charity work as well. So I did an event called To Live For. And he came to the event, he supported the event. And I just like when companies get involved in the community, and that's something that CompanyClean does.